What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ronice.Chantal and welcome back to a small business entrepreneur vlog. So I got a lot to update you guys on. For one, I changed my room around again. I know, yeah, again, I changed my room. This is going to be the final look of this room. Hold on, let me show you guys better. Before I had work from home area over there, and then I had all my my small business stuff over here, but that's all changed to now I'm working in the back of the room, and then on the other side of the room I have my work from home 9 to 5 area. I like it this way. It's more productive, and also I can do my videos. I recently got these from Temu, the Hustle Grind Execution posters. So that's cool. I moved this vinyl holder from my closet, and I wanted it more out here so I could just quickly grab and make my projects. I moved this like closet thing over here, holds all my extra shirts. And right now I am working on 2 TikTok orders, which I opened up about 4 weeks ago. They're ordering my Be Gone tumblers, which I suggest you guys. It's not in my Etsy shop yet, but I am soon adding my Be Gone tumblers to my Etsy shop, so be on the lookout for that. So yeah, I got 2 TikTok orders. I'm trying to think of what else is new. Just recently I got 5 Etsy orders to work on, so your girl's been busy. I've been busy. My daughter's learning driver's ed, learning how to drive, so she's taking driver's ed, and we have to teach her how to drive, and my son is potty training, so we have lots to do, lots to do. But that's no excuse. That's no excuse to provide you guys what you want from me, is to give you guys videos, give you guys more videos and tutorials, and teach you guys some things. And I'm back. I'm going hard. We got 4 more months left of this year, and I plan on putting out 20 videos before the year's up, so I could do it. I know I could do it. But yeah, so that is a little update. Welcome back to my videos. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because I am one of a kind. I want to thank whoever ordered from my TikTok shop. As you see, I got 2 Be Gone tumblers, so I am going to work on that. So sit back, relax, enjoy the vibes, and watch me work.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full. Trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, bury my best friend. great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a.
So I got these two done so far. They look amazing. If you guys want this cup, it is available in my Etsy, so if my camera can focus. Like I was saying, it is available in my Etsy, so be sure to grab you one. 90s cartoon. I love the 90s, so yeah.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. 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 Oh,
What's up, guys? We are back. Another part of me working on orders and getting them out. Excuse the hair, excuse what I look like. It's crazy. At the same time, work want to pick up, my son want to turn up, and my Etsy orders want to fly through the roof as well. So, but to say the least, it's okay. I'm gonna just get it done. We're just gonna have to get it done. So I have some plus size orders to make. Just so you guys know, I do offer all sizes ranging from small all the way up to 4X. So go ahead and check out my shop. You might get a couple freebies up in there, so you never know. Enjoy me while I work. And again, thank you guys. We are almost at 1K. Yes, we are almost at 1K community lovable subscribers. And I don't know if you guys saw, I did post that I am going to be doing another giveaway once I reach 1K. Also, with that giveaway video, I will be doing a Q&A. So leave your questions down below. Any questions you want to ask me about my business, how to use a Cricut machine, anything. How old am I? Whatever you want to know, ask me down below or over on Instagram. Yeah, so be friendly, stay tuned, keep watching.
Yeah, what's up with it? Do it cause I love it and I stuck with it. We ain't with the subbing in the cut with it. Please none of the talks, I heard enough of it. Like, what you gonna do? Where you at? Who you with? You ain't really bout this, don't talk about it. Really on the move, on the map, never slip. Keep your hands to your lips, don't talk about it. Real eyes, real lives all the time. Stand on it, if we said it, we don't walk around it. Loose lips, sink ships, red cup, blue strips, new phone, who this? No, we don't allow it.
Alright, y'all, so I got the package all put together. Got a couple freebies in here. These are some magnets that I sublimated. Keychain that says Blessed Mama. Got that in there for her. Thank you card and my business card. Nice presentation, nothing too crazy. Yeah. So I don't know how much footage I have, but I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching me put these orders together and getting them out to these customers. And to all of you that place an order or will in the future, link down in the description. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. And I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you guys. As always, I catch you guys in the next video.